What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we have fantasy castings, and I'm not really a huge fan of them, but these are two castings that really attracted my attention. I'll tell you why in a bit as well, but we are going to do a quick unboxing of these two cars. We're going to have a look around. So yeah, for this car, that's why the engines can move, and I'm going to explore that. It kind of looks interesting. And of course that's a Layin Lowrider, and then we have the Mighty K as well, and I've heard that it's quite popular amongst collectors, so we're just gonna unbox them. And there you have it. And let me just try to get a focus right. I don't know why my camera is acting up. There you go, that's better. Alright, so we are gonna start off with the Layin Lowrider. We'll keep the best for the last, and I'll tell you why that is as well. So right out the bat, on the right side of the vehicle, looks at me, you can actually see that the front portion is actually elevated. I at first thought there was like some suspension thing going on, but it's not. It's just the front is up in a very weird fashion. I am not really sure what to make out of it. And yeah, so the wheels spin amazingly well, which is nice to see. And I'll also show you how the engine works in a bit, or the whole like moving thing. And then if you look at the front, you can see the grills, the lights right there. Let me just try to see if I can focus it a little better. I'm not really sure why. So that's the engine, and the engine moves, which is the whole point of this. So if you guys can see at the bottom of the wheel, there's this extra bit right there. So as the wheels spin, it actually hits the engine mechanism, and it actually allows the engine to move. And I'll show you the whole moving thing later on as well, just to show you a brief demonstration of how it works. But yeah, and of course this vehicle, all in all, even the doors and the lines, the curves, I think this engine looks really amazing. It's amazingly done. The wheels, you can see right there how the mechanism works, which is really nice. The back, these like almost secluded hidden wheels are amazing as well. And then if you look at the sides, yeah, so all in all, the weight, it's a really nice, amazing car. The weight is evenly distributed. I think it's a very nice casting. And of course, you can look at the rear, amazing views. The car looks amazing all in all. I love the lines, from the front all the way to the back. It would have been nice if there were more lines to the roof. But yeah, and if you look at the base, there you go. Unfortunately, there aren't much details in the base. It's a very plain detailed base, no details as well at all. And yeah, we're gonna move on to the Mighty K. And guys, this car is simply amazing, and I'm gonna show you why. So I don't know how many of you guys know about this, but the Mighty K is actually, a lot of people actually buy this car, and they've been loving this in the Hotwheels community. And the day when I saw it, I thought, why not, let's get one and have a look. And yeah, you can see, so the wheels are really small. Of course, you've got the Asada and the Japanese writing at the back. Amazing pink glossy color. The wheels spin amazingly well. Once again, main lines do get that. And then of course there's this detail right there. I'm not really sure what it is. Maybe it's a spare tire, or some fuel go. Anyways, if you look at the front, guys, here is where it gets amazing. Girth Nation, welcome back to the YouTube channel, because look at how girthy the front fenders are. Those fender arches are insane. Of course, you can see the intercooler right there, and the front splitter as well, which is insanely amazing. I mean, I never expected that to see in a car like this, that to have fantasy casting. And if you look at the left side of the vehicle, same details, and the lines, curves, the details, the attention to little details in this car is simply phenomenal. And guys, the back does not get any better than that. We have a Japanese license plate, which is insanely amazing. I think it's one of the best things out there. Of course, this is a little detail, not much people will see, but it's amazing. It's phenomenal. And guys, you can see an Easter egg right there. You can see a pink skateboard. I'm not really sure why, and there's a spare tire as well. But back to the skateboard. So if you guys remember, I did a video on a Ford Transit van. I think it was the Ecoline, and that had a skateboard at its trunk as well. And this has, which is amazing. I love this vehicle. And of course, you can see all the details at the base. Which is zero. There aren't any details. All in all, I think this is an amazing car. Just look at how it looks. I mean, guys, the paint job is immaculate. So guys, let me know in the comments below, between these two fantasy castings, two very unique fantasy castings, which one would you pick and why? I definitely have to go with the Mighty K, because it's amazing. And then we're gonna do a few rolling shots. I'll see you at the end. And just like that guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time unboxing these vehicles with me. I sure had an amazing time. This is gonna go amazingly well in my collection. Let me know guys in your comments below if you guys want to see more fantasy castings. If not, we'll stick to mainlines and premiums. But just like that guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.